the way I'm teaching to make jewellery on this channel, yeah, is how you would be expected to make it if you were an employed jeweller. I do worry a lot of people are learning to make jewellery from people who've only been through college. And like, I don't care if your teacher's got like A-levels, master's, degree, diploma, PhD, all that bollocks in making jewellery. If they've never been an employed jeweller before, even an apprentice jeweller with just 2 years experience far surpasses any diploma you can get. If you haven't actually been an employed jeweller, I would say you don't know nothing about it. Like, I reckon you can get the highest level, like 10, 12 years, going through all the fanciest colleges in the world, making jewellery. I reckon if they came here and worked with me, I would have a very difficult time getting along with them, because I'd ask them to make a ring a specific size. They wouldn't be able to do it because they never actually had to make a ring to a specific size. They're solder joins. They might be soldered quite well if they've got a bit of experience, but they won't be cleaned up nicely. They won't be able to polish nicely, especially inside of a ring. They haven't had the pressure on them to get it just right, or haven't had experience working in any precious metals at all, even after years of college. They never would have had experience of finishing something to the best of their ability, bringing it to the boss or someone to check over, and they say, no, don't like that, that's wonky, that needs polishing, can you like clean up that bit, then hand it back to them, and they've got to do another like 2-3 hours work cleaning it up, and then they come back and it gets checked again, and it's like, no, I told you to do this, told you to do that, and then get a bit of attitude back at them for not doing a good enough job, and they're wasting time. You haven't worked under pressure if you've not been an employed jeweller. I reckon an apprentice jeweller with just 2 years experience far surpass any diploma you can get going through college. So the way I'm showing you to do things on this channel, an example of what set me off, the example is giving attention to a stone. I don't even think they work to stones in colleges. They just make things for the air and think, yeah, I made this, I can do this, I can do that. Okay, make that, what you just did, perfectly, exactly for this stone. They wouldn't have had that experience before, and do it by the end of the day. It's a lot more pressure, it's a lot more difficult to work professionally than it is in the college environment. So yeah, I just wanted to highlight that about the videos I make and the way I make jewellery.